Roofing business stands as essential pillars in the construction industry, providing vital services to protect homes and buildings from the elements. With a focus on installing, repairing and maintaining roofs, these businesses ensure the structural integrity and safety of properties. From residential homes to commercial complexes, the demand for skilled roofing contractors remain constant. Amidst the evolving landscape of technology and digital marketing, roofing companies are increasingly leveraging SEO strategies to enhance their online presence and attract more clients. In this competitive field, mastering the art of SEO technology is paramount for roofing businesses to thrive and dominate their niche. Before diving deep, it's necessary to know that how to use SEO technology to grow your roofing business. The global roofing materials market size is estimated at USD 120.34 billion in 2021 and expected to expand at a compounded annual growth rate of 4.0% from 2022 to 2030. Welcome to a channel where we unlock the secrets of success in the digital age. Today, we are delving into a niche market that's as solid as the roofs they build, the roofing business. Roofing businesses, like many others, are embracing technology to stay competitive in today's market. And one of the most powerful tools at their disposal, SEO technology. But what exactly is SEO technology and how can it help your roofing business dominate its niche? Let's break it down. Firstly, SEO or search engine optimization is the process of improving your website's visibility on search engine like Google. This involves various strategies including keyword optimization, creating quality content and building backlinks. For a roofing business, this means identifying relevant keywords that potential customers might use when searching for roofing services. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush can help you discover these keywords and assess their search volume and competitiveness. Once you have your keywords, it's time to create valuable content around them. This could be blog posts, how-to guides, or informative videos. Not only does this establish your expertise in the roofing industry, but it also gives search engines more content to index, improving your chances of ranking higher. Of course, none of this matters if your website isn't optimized for search engines. This includes optimizing metadata, improving site speed, and ensuring web-friendliness. A well-optimized website not only improves your search rankings but also provides a better user experience, leading to higher conversion rates. Finally, backlinks are crucial for SEO. These are links from other websites that point back to yours. Search engines see backlinks as votes of confidence, indicating that your website is reputable and trustworthy. Building backlinks can be done through various methods such as guest blogging, influencer outreach, or partnering with industry directories. As we wrap up, SEO technology offers roofing business a powerful way to dominate their niche. By leveraging strategies like keyword optimization, content creation, and website optimization and backlink building, you can improve your online visibility, attract more leads, and ultimately grow your roofing business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to thrive in today's digital landscape. Until next time, keep climbing to the top of your niche.